G'day everybody, this is Kiwi Jai Customs and Collections, and today I'm going to look at repairing, or hoping to attempt to repair this hang glider which belongs to Cloudburst. And if you don't know, but there should be a clip here which is the same on this hang glider right here. So there's a clip which holds the figure in place, and I'll show you what I mean by grabbing Spirit. And it basically just clips into place, and yeah, there he is holding. That's really ugly as, but yeah, even though he's got the foot pegs right here, it's really the clip which holds this figure into place. And also another thing too, on the back here there's a tab here, and on this one there is no tab at the back, so the hang glider is basically, if you can just sort of see right here, just lifts up, which is kind of a pain in the ass. So I'm going to attempt to repair both of these so that Cloudburst here can now ride his hang glider. So without further ado, let's see what we can do. Okay, so this is how we've got it here. So as I said before, there should be a clip here, and it's snapped off. So what I'm going to use is, this is off the hammer, and it's these clip-on seatbelts, and I literally hate them with a passion, but I never throw them out. So what I'm thinking about doing is stuffing off this back part and super gluing onto there. So let's move this aside. We'll just get my snips. Yeah, I'll just snip that quite nicely. I'll probably get that for some other projects. And then, actually, if I trim this part on the side, okay, I'm going to give this a bit of a rough up here. To basically help with the super glue and the new clip to bond. Right, just add a bit more to the side. So get a good bond. Right, excellent. Basically leave that alone for a while until that's set. Should try and put some clamp on there. How I'll be right. My next thing here is this. As I said, there's not a tab thing on here. So my best bet, really, is I think a dollop of hot glue gun. And the missing tab on top. And that should be right. Right, I think I should add a bit more super glue on the side. Let's see if you can see here. Let's give it a really good bond. I hope you can see this. On an interesting note, this is the first project on the new desk. Okay, now I've had this glue on there. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of baking soda. To the components. And that will make that. Mix with the super glue, make that as hard as rock. Well, so the saying goes. Right, let's blow it away. Okay, basically leave that alone for say tomorrow and we'll test it out. Okay, so it's been 24 hours and I want to attempt to paint this, hopefully with the right colour. I'm going to be using the Temo colour flat aluminium XF16. And that should be pretty close. I may have to add a clear coat over that once it's dry. But we'll soon see how it looks.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mask. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mask. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets.
leave that lamp to dry, and we'll get back to it. Okay, so it's been 24 hours again, and the paint's dry. That looks like it's solid. Let's get Cloudburst here. And first of all, you put him in his feet in, and the foot peaks. And you basically slide that in, and he clips on. And there you have it. There's Cloudburst and his hang glider. And that stays on quite nice. Pretty good. And here it is, the Cloudburst right here, and his hang glider, all complete. That was quite a simple project that just took a matter of getting another part from the hammer, the clip that I got there, some super glue and baking soda and some paint, and just slap it together, and it looks really good. As you can see, I'm using my new turntable here. I've actually got a bit of white alloy from my work, which is basically this is an offcut, and I reckon that looks really good. That literally has stopped my horrible hands from going in there and making a big mess. His visor I lost, so I just made a new visor for Cloudburst. Obviously you can see his gun is from Snake Eyes. You kind of see that I made a makeshift display for the hang glider because I wanted to show it this way, sort of show both sides without picking it up. And it's a bit rough, but it's just basically a cap of something, and I'll just chopped it up. But I think it worked pretty well. It's transparent, it's clear, you can see what I'm doing. So I want to say that my daughter wants to say this.
Yo, Joe.
And we'll do the final review real soon. Well, that's it, people. That's the hang glider all repaired. That was really cool. As I said before, that was quite a simple, easy project. I couldn't believe how simple it was. And literally what I did was basically took, like you see right here, the Hammer vehicles, and they have the seatbelt clips, which I despise. I literally putting those figures in there, I hate. So I just took the seatbelts out and just used one of these. So I'm just putting Skyburst in here right now. Oh, sorry, Cloudburst. And look, he's ready to go. So another cool thing about this is that they can actually fly. Like, it's raining right now, so I can actually probably show you. Possibly right now, actually. So let's get ourselves ready and take it outside and test it. Right, let's see how this goes. Perfect. He's still on there. I mean, his hair is a little bit green. Well, you can see that Cloudburst and the hang glider survived the test flight. It didn't fly very far. I don't recall way back when I first got the hang gliders, and the first one I got was literally this one, which belongs to Spirit. So I'll just put them in there. And literally, if you see side by side, there's no difference. Literally, the new clip looks exactly the same. So I'm actually quite wrapped with that. So yeah, this is my first one I got, and I don't recall them flying very far. But to be honest with you, in the 90s, out of all the gimmicks, the hang glider was probably the best one. The battle coppers, that was a bit weird too, but least it's better than the spring-fired weapons that they had. But yeah, I'm actually quite happy with that. That was now go into my collection up in the ceiling somewhere. So this is time where I say thank you guys for tuning in and watching the whole video. Please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell, which is around here somewhere. You know, it's coming up towards the end of the year. I've almost done a full year of this, and I've got I've got some interesting videos coming up soon. Next week I'm going to be looking at doing something a bit fun and Christmassy like. I'm going to look at doing a Christmas decoration Joe, and probably do a custom made of that actually. So that'll be a lot of fun to do. So with that, people, I want to say thank you so much and bye, and yo Joe.